Good evening, everyone. I am Carolus Abdulmalak, and I am here to talk to you tonight about a topic that is often discussed but not truly understood, which is attraction. So, how do you truly know when you're attracted to someone, or whether it's just a momentary feeling? So, as you may know, attraction is the feeling of interest or desire towards someone else, and it can be taken in many different forms, which can be physical attraction, where you're physically attracted to the person's body, such as their face, their body, their appearance, their how they dress. It's just anything physical that you perceive. There's obviously emotional attraction, where you're attracted to how they personalize themselves, their personality, maybe things that they may do that affects you on an emotional sense, how they treat you. Maybe they're vegan and you're vegan, that finds some sort of attraction to you. It's all subjective, but there's also something like intellectual attraction, correct? So intellectual attraction could be something like you're attracted to their social status or how smart they are. So it's all subjective. There are multiple different ways how you may truly find someone attractive. But how do you know if you're attracted to someone, and what are the signs of true attraction? So there are several ways to tell if you're attracted to someone. First, you may feel a physical attraction, as physical attractions are usually speaking the first thing that you may feel. Since physical attraction is the first thing that you see, you don't truly form an emotional attraction to someone just based off looks, which is the first thing that you're really exposed to, correct? So, such a, let's say you're in a room with someone and your heart begins pumping and you feel these tingles and butterflies, that is a strong, how do I say this? It's a strong sign of attraction, as that means that your body is just reacting to that person in a positive and great way. Second, your body may also be thinking of it. You may be thinking of that person even when they're not around. So that's just a sort of way to show that you want to be with them and you have a desire towards them, which is exactly what attraction is. You may also be strongly connected to the person. So let's say when in the case that you are with them, you're strongly connected to them and you feel like you genuinely have a bond. That is true attraction right there, because that's emotional attraction. Your emotions are carrying themselves in a way that you feel like you're connected to them. But attraction isn't always as simple as as simple and straightforward as it may seem, because you may be attracted to someone but not in a not in a good way, as they may not be a good match for you. So sometimes you may be attracted to someone, but they're not attracted to you, which is always going to be something that's not the best. It's not something that you desire, but it's always a possibility, correct? So in that case, you have two different options. Either you could try to suppress your feelings, which I never think is an option, or you could just take the risk and see where it may lead you to. So it's hard to know. The odds are against you. Are they? Are they not? Should you suppress your feelings and try to move on? Well, the answer to that question depends on your situation and your goals. If you're attracted to someone and you want to pursue a relationship with them, then you should take the risk. You have to take the risk, actually, because if they're not pursuing a relationship, they're not going to pursue you. So you need to be open and take that risk. If, let's say, you're not trying to pursue a relationship and you just want a friendly relationship, then that's a whole different situation. You have to think about it. It's all subjective. It's all up to you. So taking the risk can be scary, but it's rewarding. You'll be rewarded with relief. You're going to be with someone that you've been attracted to, which is always a positive thing. But no matter what, it's important to remember that attraction is a normal and completely, perfectly fine part of human existence. It's nothing to be ashamed of. We're all attracted to different people, different things for different reasons, and that's okay. Attraction is not something to be ashamed of. It's something to be embraced and celebrated. So if you're attracted to someone, don't be afraid to let them know. And if you're not sure if you're attracted to someone, don't be afraid to explore your feelings. You know, attraction is a powerful force. It's something that shouldn't be taken for granted. Never be embarrassed of it. Try out new things. Attraction is the way to go. Thank you.